Wanted to give a shout out here for Parks Bookkeeping, because I've been working with them now for well over probably 5 to 10 years, I think it is. And doesn't time fly when you're in business? And so I started out in the past using very antiquated systems that really took up a lot of time. And the end of the financial year, it was like this big stress bucket where I had to get all my paperwork together, get things printed off, and that was a real bind for me, a lot of stress. But when I started to get with Kim from Parks Bookkeeping, she's introduced me to some new systems that I've put in place, and I've been using them now for about 4 years. That's the Xero accounting system. So I didn't actually know that I could just take photographs on my phone of all my receipts, go straight into the system, and then it's recorded. I can link my bank accounts with this system. My invoicing comes from this system. So rather than having different systems like PayPal, creating invoices in something else, having an Excel spreadsheet, all of that confusion, what she did was give me online banking linked to the Xero system, and then also the mobile apps that I'm able to use if I'm out doing festivals or if I'm doing events. Then I've got a device that I can take payments with, and that was super important for me. Also, the thresholds of tax, really important to get the money going into little pots in these different bank accounts. And I was paying a lot for having different types of bank accounts when I could just have one where they didn't charge for business, which was a Monzo account. A lot more flexible, a lot more easy to use, didn't have to get on the phone and wait hours for customer service to answer me. I just had these online apps. So Kim has been invaluable in terms of all of the up-to-date systems that I use now, which means it's time saving, it's stress saving, and I'm really grateful that she's introduced me to these mechanisms. Now, one of these things that we're always challenged with in business is where we spend our time. I've spent a lot of time in the past using just systems that are just way out of date. So I recommend that you get into Parks Bookkeeping, because they can really give you the little tips and all of the things that you want to be using now to make yourself more productive, more efficient. And I found that to be invaluable in my business, and I'm sure that will be something that would help you as well. A lot of time spent preparing the accounts. Everything's online. I've set that up with her, so now I don't have to have that big stress bucket at the end of the financial year. I pay things off on an ongoing basis, so all the budgeting is done, all the stress is taken away. So invaluable. Thank you so much, Kim and Parks Bookkeeping.